Hello, Khalid. I can't believe you did it that quickly. Faster than me, an average 13 minutes. That's so slick. Man, thank you so much. Thank you. That was great. I'm thinking about it. Like, that's wild. That's awesome. Great job. Great job, man. So the next thing we're gonna do is build out we're calling like a review section, review and practice. It has different days, and within each day is going to be a specific set of interactive videos. Here is how you can read this. These are going to be the interactive videos that we'll put in the first day, and these are the ones on the second day. These are the other ones on the third day. The interactive video could correspond to the quadrant. So this number 1 here, the interactive video I want you to use for number 1 is actually this green one. It's the rehe, not this rehe. It's this rehe. Okay, that will be this one right here. The interactive video for number 2 is right here. The interactive video for number 3 is quadrant 3. It's right here. And the way that we're doing this is left to right, top to bottom. So there'll be 9 interactive videos in this one particular, or 9 chapters rather, in this one particular day. One second, I'm just going to ask it. Hello, Khalid. Yes, okay. So to review, these numbers correspond with the quadrant. It's here, correct? That's all good. Excellent. So now that we know that, let's assemble day 1. I'll assemble the first 4 of day 1, and then I'll ask you to do the last 1, 2. You know what? I'll see if I'll just assemble all of day 1. Then you can do day 2 and day 3 and all the other days. So what we're going to do to start with is we're going to go to the course management tab, Create Edit Courseware, and if you scroll down, you'll find this is the Create Edit Courseware area. Scroll down to the very end, you'll find these, and we want to edit day 1. So for day 1, we're going to go to chapters, add a chapter. Excellent. We're going to call this training. Great. Video only. Show the default buttons. Don't allow this chapter to auto advance to the next chapter, because what we're actually going to do is have a chapter part. It's the first time we're doing this. A chapter part for each different number. So the quadrant 1 rehe is going to be the very first video. Quadrant 2 is going to be the next chapter part. Quadrant 3 is the next chapter part. Quadrant 4 is the next chapter part, so on. So what we're going to do is I will move the sheet over a bit so we can still see what we're working with here. Great, day 1 has that. Okay. So the very first video is video 1, right, which is this one. And we're going to do that. Great. Add another chapter part. Then we're going to go video 2.
I don't even know
Great.
if I just do the case down.
And
I don't even
2.
know.
Then we're going to go part 3.
I don't know if I just ordered
And
your
part
case
3
or just
is
ordered a one.
here. Great. The next one we're going to do is part 2. So we're going to do part 2. Great. And the next thing to do is part 1. Great. So we're going to go to part 1.
I must have ordered you a case because they're $90 for
And
5
then
days. I must have ordered you a
We're
flavor
going
based
to do
one.
add chapter part.
Say that
Part
again,
6 is going to be 3. Great. And the next one's going to be 2.
That's a
And the
one
next
you want,
one is
so-
going to be
Should come to the mall
3.
office. Doesn't say when or anything, no?
Great.
Or what I even paid for.
And
I don't even know.
the next one is going to be
I don't
1.
even know what I paid, and it's $90 for a new one. Now, thank God I didn't pay for a new one.
Great.
I just
And then
wanted
save chapter.
warranty.
And that's that.
Did you give him your
And
These the
we're
details?
gonna go active.
I was in
When
warranty.
testing, great. So those are all set. Save chapter. And then
And it asked me when we bought
close
it,
and save course.
but I wasn't on this shopping page, I was on the
Great.
warranty page.
Okay.
Now,
And I believe
what
it
we
was
have,
$6.99.
if you go down to the
Well, there you go then. Yeah.
bottom,
Should be okay.
That's what it
Of
appeared like
next.
to me.
Yeah.
now we
I'm sure
have
that's the
we have
case.
that installed there. And so
Okay.
I'd like you to do the same for
Yes.
day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5, day 6, day 7, day 8, day 9.
Sure
Right?
that's the
These are
case.
the corresponding days. And one final note, sometimes you'll see a 0. What that 0 means is go to the
Yeah, so
one-offs
this is what I
area,
went with warranty. What product was out of
and
warranty? Like I didn't-
this is the
Yeah,
zeros.
I'm sure you got it right. It sounds like you got it
It's
right.
the zeros one. Great.
Where
So
did you
please
buy
follow
it?
this
Yeah.
schedule. I'll send this, and please create those. Thank you. And by that time, hopefully, we'll have the storytelling videos edited, so I can give you more pointers. You only have to go through the storytelling section once and update it. Excellent. I suppose if you're you can, if you'd like to, rearrange the this. This is a separate job. If you'd like, rearrange the course organization sheet now to reflect the changes that have just been done, where the little review is at the bottom, the little practice is further up, the answers are now up in here. I'd like you to do that as well. Great. So that's that. Please create the training for the other 11 days. Thank you very much. And again, that was amazing what you did. That's crazy. Thanks, Khalid. See ya. Bye.